Take a close look at the edge of this coin. The tiny repeating ridges called reeding or milling hold a story that stretches back centuries. Long ago, coins were made of gold and silver. Their worth depended on the metal inside, not just the symbols stamped on the surface. A problem soon appeared. Some people shaved slivers from coin edges, collecting the precious filings while leaving the coins nearly unchanged. This subtle theft, known as coin clipping, eroded trust in currency. Mints developed a clever solution. They added ridges to the edge. Any tampering became immediately visible. The ridged edge acted as a built-in safeguard, protecting both value and trust. This improvement quickly spread worldwide and became a standard for coins made of valuable metals. The ridges signaled that a coin was whole and untouched. Modern coins are no longer made from gold or silver, yet ridged edges remain. Today, the pattern helps people distinguish coins by touch and deters counterfeiting. The design endures, connecting everyday money to a long history of innovation. As the modern quarter glows under the light, those ridges serve as a reminder of the need for honesty and precision in currency. The coin slips into darkness, leaving behind a legacy shaped by careful thinking and practical design.